Yeah, yeah, just animal play date goes wrong. Hey, Corky, are you having fun? You look so cute. Aww.
Like, help me.
No, I can't help you. You have to socialize once in a while. Not just with my mother, but with animals. Other animals, Corky. And not just with Mama Kitty, because she beats you.
Yeah, and here is the other two dogs that are going to have a play date with her. Or him. Sure, I keep forgetting him. Oh, that's his name.
Just like,
You're like, run away. Missy tries.
Oh.
I can so
Here, just let me just sniff your booty, you boy.
I saw they say hi. I don't know why.
I swear, if he tries something...
See? No nipping.
Oh, were you trying something, Corky?
Yeah, Missy nipped at him. Apparently she knew what he was trying to do.
Corky, you're fixed. You can't do that.
Yeah, my dog isn't.
Corky, this is a family-friendly channel. You cannot do that.
Yeah, Missy's fixed, so.
Harassment, Corky, harassment. Stop it. Okay, I got this.
Missy's fixed. Oh, Missy isn't fixed. Sorry, I keep getting a... Ew!
What?
Corky pooped.
That's not Corky. Corky is constipated 24/7.
Ew. Oh, yeah, so it'd take like 1 hour?
That'd probably take an hour. Poor Corky.
He just pooped right there. No. Away.
What was she trying to do?
She said poop right there. You.
I know it wasn't Corky. Stop trying to do cartwheels. Like, ah!
Play.
Corky's all like, screw this, I'm out. Kara, say hi. Say hi to the fans. Say hi harder.
Hi, Harbor.
No, I said say hi harder.
Hi, Harder.
No, that's not what I meant. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi again.
Hi.
You didn't do it.
Hi, Harder.
No. Just say hi again.
Hi.
You're not doing it.
Hi.
Oh my God. Are you high?
No. Saying hello.
Wait, no, wait. Say I'm high.
No.
Aww.
I'll say hello, but not that.
Wait, I got this. Say hi again.
Hi.
You're not doing it. I said say hi again.
Hi.
It's not working. You're not getting it. I tongue twisted you. I confused you.
Him.
Hello. He looks so...
standing there.
He's just sitting there, just being like, "Oh God, I'm gonna die."
Should we block a little area for the dogs to stay in?
No,
No.
that would make Corky feel caged.
Well, there's a cage where there's
No,
a dog
I said
area. There's a dog area back there.
No,
No?
no.
Okay.
He doesn't like feeling trapped.
Well, he's not trapped. You could always go through the door.
Oh yeah, guess what? I'm moving, and we're gonna get Wi-Fi.
Missy. Hi. Go.
No, say hi again.
Hi.
You're still not getting it. Oh, it's like an animal documentary. He's like, okay, fine, I'll just go over here.
Play. Missy. You. Play.
He's like, ooh, I got hit by a girl. And no other, gotta yawn real quick. Oh God, it's coming closer. Oh no.
Missy. Play. Papa.
Oh, you scared him. Now I'm gonna have to cure you. I'm joking.
Kill my dog and look at yours.
Oh my God. Wait, what?
Kill my dog, I'm killing yours.
Okay. He needs to be put out of his misery. I mean, he's literally suffering to death.
Mm.
We feed our puppies everything. Well, a puppy. What is that dog doing?
Look. He's looking at the cats over there. Oh, there's a kitty hands.
This show is about dogs only. No cats allowed.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna blur them out.
I haven't even looked. I don't even see it.
I do. I can. Yeah, under there. They just went underneath the house.
Oh yeah, that house. That house is ugly.
Yeah. Misty, go play. No.
Well, guys, that's yeah. Her rubbing her nose, him picking his nose, and that dog scratching itself, and Corky just being Corky. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Kiss each other.
Kiss.
Aw, the kissing.
This kiss, that's her leg.
Yeah, the
Are you
lady's
trying
just
to
like.
swim there? Swim, swim, swim. Dang, it doesn't work. I mean, Maggie, swim. Swim.
Swim! Let's see them legs move. Corky's moving around. He's like, oh, okay.
Look, she's swimming.
Oh my god! Swimming dog. Swimming dog. Buy it now. Oh god! Swimming dog.